Tesla races compact Model Y on Fremont test track. Tesla was racing a compact, short, and stocky Model Y with front and rear end covers around its Fremont Factory's test track today, potentially giving us a look at the upcoming affordable model. On Thursday, Met God in the Wilderness on YouTube posted a flyover of the Fremont Factory, a weekly occurrence for the channel. This week's video featured a smaller, more compact Model Y racing around the test track at Fremont, trailed by a Cybertruck. While both bumpers are covered, it still seems to be a much more compact version of the Model Y. There is also the potential that this is the upcoming Model Y Performance, but it seems that this vehicle is smaller than the traditional Model Y. Tesla would not reduce its size this much for the performance configuration. With that, it seems more likely it is one of the affordable models. Tesla still on track to release more affordable models in 1H25. It also plays into the idea that Tesla is planning to launch vehicles very similar to the Model Y and Model 3. During the last earnings call, Tesla VP of Vehicle Engineering Lars Moravy stated that the affordable models the company planned to launch would be of the same form and factor as the Model Y, indicating potentially a stripped-down version of the all-electric crossover. I will say it's important to emphasize that, as we've said all along, the full utilization of our factories is the primary goal for these new products. And so, flexibility of what we can do within the form factor and, the design of it is really limited to what we can do on our existing lines rather than building new ones. This was essentially a read between the lines moment for investors, as they took it as the affordable models would not be much different than the Model Y. This vehicle seems to fit the bill of what Moravy described. It is eerily similar to the Model Y, without the lengthened front and rear. While it is still tough to determine exactly what it is, it surely does look to be something that Tesla is keeping under wraps for the short term. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.